Hello guys! Welcome back again to my channel. And before we start, please click the subscribe button and also the bell or the ring button para ma-notify naman po kayo kung meron akong mga bagong video. Okay, this time guys, our topic is how to make extension cord. Okay, so this topic is very easy. Okay, what are the things you need to make extension cord? Number one, you have to buy socket. Okay, so depende sa inyo kung gaano karami pong, okay, gaano karaming saksakan siya. Okay, may nabibili, you can buy 2, 3, or 4, or 5. Okay, so about the socket guys, the recommendation is to buy this kind of socket because this is a very good socket. Okay, and one more, the reason why I recommend this kind of socket because if you open, okay, if you open this socket, you will see okay, this is the inside of this, okay, socket. Meron siyang multiple springs. Okay, so marami siyang spring. So this is very important guys because when you plug something, let's say for example the charger. Okay, if you plug the charger, it cannot be easily removed. Okay, and no alog-alog. Okay, wala siyang alog, so fix na fix siya. Okay, every time you plug, okay, it's very fixed. Okay, very tightened because of the spring. Okay, this is more expensive because of the quality, but this is highly recommended. Okay, and the brand of this socket is, okay, I will tell you, the brand is Kopez, Kopez, Kopez. And you can see guys, okay, this is certified product. Okay, certified product, so this is highly recommended. So every time you buy a socket, buy this kind of socket. Okay, next guys, okay, next, okay, we need, okay, flat wire. Okay, so you have to buy a flat wire. So this time we will use number 16. The size of this flat wire is number 16. Okay guys, so kung bibili kayo, if you buy flat wire, okay, sabihin nyo lang po sa salesman or sales lady, the size is number 16. Okay, number 16. So the long, okay, kung gaano kahaba, okay, depende po kung anong pangangailangan nyo. Depends upon to your need. So, but this time, okay, I have here 2 meters long. Okay, again guys, that the size of this flat wire is number 16. Okay, and the next is you need plug. Okay, so guys, okay, my recommendation for the plug, okay, buy the quality. Okay, buy the quality product. Okay, so yung ganitong plug guys, matibay talaga to. Okay, hindi ito nasusunog, it cannot be burned easily. Okay, so don't buy plastic. Okay, makakabili kayo mga plastic, but I'm not recommended that. So I recommend this type of plug. Okay, so this is a little bit more expensive, but this is safe. Okay, this is very safe. So guys, we need these 3 items to make extension cord. Okay, now let's begin. So the first na gagawin natin is to connect this flat wire into this socket. Okay, so let's begin. Okay, so okay, so nandito siya. Okay, so okay, the secret for this, guys, is to remove the first spring. Okay, so remove nyo lang po yung isang spring na to para makadaan po yung mga wire dito. Okay, remove the first two springs. Okay, okay, and okay, insert. Okay, and then okay, so splice nyo lang po siya. Medyo habaan nyo lang po, no? Make it a little bit long. Okay, and then twist a little bit. Okay, and then make it sure na the same ang size po nila. Okay. Okay. And then screw nyo lang po siya dito. So kulang pa, so dagdagan natin ng konti. Na po siya. So make it a little bit long. Okay. Then the other side. Okay. So kabit nyo na. Okay. Screw nyo lang siyang ganyan. And then okay. Okay, just be sure, guys, na na-screw natin mabuti. Okay. And then, okay, so make it clean. And then the other side. Okay guys, so after you connect the two wires, okay, be sure na ma-screw nyo silang maibubuti, okay, and then put it back the spring. Okay, that's two spring, so madali lang po ito lang to ibalik. Okay, yes, okay, okay, and the other one. Okay, So, and then, okay, make it sure na tight talaga sila. Tight na tight. Okay, para walang loose ng problema, hindi masusunog. And then, cover. Okay. Okay, so tight na tight siya. Ito kagandahan ito guys sa ganitong klase. So, wala siyang okay, hindi siya basta-basta masisira. Okay. So, next step is to put your the plug. Okay, the plug. Okay, let's open. Okay. Then, pasok na lang po siya dito. Insert. And then, splice again. Okay. Then, okay. And then, measure nyo lang po siya, yung tamang haba lang po, no? Na ipupulupot nyo dito. Okay. So, this time, ito lang siya. So, place siya, splice nyo. Tapos, squeeze little bit. Okay guys, so sa pagkabit nito, hindi na basta sa kinakabit. Mas mainam, yung okay, watch closely. So, hindi ganyan ang pagkabit, kasi iba kasi ganyan ang ginagawa nilang pagkabit. Okay. Yan ang ginagawa nilang pagkabit, but this is the wrong, okay? This is the wrong way. So, the right way to connect the wire is, okay, medyo pulupot yung ganon. Okay, so this is the right way. Okay. The right way to put, okay. Okay, this is the right way. Okay, medyo pupulupot mo siyang ganyan. Okay. And then, okay. So, siyang ganyan. And then, okay. Make sure na nakakapit siyang maigi. Okay. Okay. Kapit siyang maigi ganyan. Okay. Make sure na nasa ano siya kasi nasa lumabas magkaroon ng shortage. Okay, shorted. Magkaroon ng short. Okay, then screw. Okay, make sure na mahigpit ang pagkaka-screw niya. Okay, so kaya ito ginagawa ko guys para hindi siya nakahatak. Diba? And also the other side. Okay. So pulupot niya siyang ganyan. Okay, ito yung the right way. The right way to make extension. Okay. Kasi yung iba mali ang paggawa. Kaya nagkakaroon ng short. Nagkakaroon ng sunog sa kanilang bahay. So, Kasi mali yung kawit. Pag nahatak, sira. Okay. May nabibiling mga extension cord na buo na guys, pero hindi ko siya nire-recommend kasi maliliit yung wire nila na ginagamit dun eh. Delikado yung maliliit na wire, lalo na marami kayong sinasaksak sa extension cord nyo. Okay. Okay. So, okay na ang cord natin guys. So, it is properly. So guys, tignan nyo yung ganitong klase oh. So, when you connect this wire, so be sure na ganito po yung pagkabit nyo, okay? So, para kahit anong hila sa kanya, hindi siya mahahatak. Okay, tignan nyo. Tibay na matibay, okay? This is very strong, okay? So, ganyan lang po. And be sure na ma-screw siya mabuti, okay? Para hindi siya loose, okay? So, this time, ready na. Ready na ang ating extension cord. Pwede na natin siyang gamitin. Okay? Okay. So, balik natin yung cover. Importante itong cover guys para pag ginawakan natin, hindi tayo makukuryente. Okay. Okay. So, our extension cord is already ready. Okay, let's try it. Okay guys, testing natin kung gagana to. Okay, let's see kung mag-work to. Okay, our extension cord is already done. Okay, our extension cord. Okay, so testing, let's test it. Okay, saksak ko lang. Okay, and let's plug. Okay, the electric fan. Okay, so tingnan natin kung gagana ang electric fan. Okay, watch closely. Okay guys, so this is the electric fan. See? Okay guys, so we have here the good extension cord. Okay, this is okay, magamit nyo na to kahit saan lugar ng inyong bahay. Okay, okay, thank you guys for your watching, and I hope meron kayong natutunan this time. Okay, how to make extension cord. Okay, how to make extension cord. Okay, thank you, and thank you for watching. But before you go, please click subscribe button and also the bell or the ring button para ma-notify kayo kung meron ako mga bagong video. And also, please share and like. Baka meron mga iba sa atin nangangailangan ng ganitong mga tutorial ay meron silang reference. Okay guys? Thank you and keep safe and may God bless us all. Bye!